Join me as I take on the challenge of running outdoors and indoors and see which one I love more. When it comes to running, one of the most debated topics is whether it is better to run outdoors or indoors. Some people swear by the freedom and scenery of outdoor running, while others prefer the convenience and control of indoor running. In this video, we will be exploring both options and discussing the pros and cons of each, so you can decide which is best for you. Running can be challenging, regardless of where you do it. Outdoor runners often deal with extreme weather conditions, such as heavy rain or blistering heat. This can make it challenging to maintain a consistent routine, as some days may be more suitable for running than others. Motivation is also a key factor, as running in the same old neighborhood or park can get boring after a while. On the other hand, indoor runners often have to contend with the monotony of running on a treadmill, which can be mentally draining. Accessibility is another issue, as not everyone has access to a gym or a safe outdoor running space. This can limit their options and make sticking to a running routine harder. Running indoors or outdoors also requires different gear, which can be challenging for those on a budget. Running outdoors has advantages with scenic routes and varied terrain to keep your runs interesting. On the other hand, indoor running has its benefits, with advanced treadmill technology that allows you to customize your workout and track your progress. The impact on physical and mental health is also an important consideration, as outdoor and indoor running have unique effects. Outdoor running can be great for mental health, as being in nature has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. The social aspect of running is also important, as outdoor runners may have more opportunities to meet new people and join running groups. Running outdoors can be incredibly liberating, as you experience the fresh air and sunshine. However, I have also had days where the weather was so bad that I had to opt for an indoor run instead. According to some experts, indoor running can be as effective as outdoor running as long as you have the right equipment and mindset. One thing that surprised me is how much I enjoy running on a treadmill, as it allows me to focus on my form and pace. Some runners have also reported that indoor running helps them avoid distractions and stay motivated. In conclusion, outdoor and indoor running have unique benefits and drawbacks. Outdoor running offers scenic routes and a sense of freedom, while indoor running provides convenience and control. Let us know in the comments which type of running you prefer and why. If you want more fitness content, check out our other video on the benefits of strength training for runners.